Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to buy Robux from eldorado.gg. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to eldorado.gg. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account if you don't have one yet. Just sign up, it's quick and simple. Once logged in, search for Robux in the search bar or head to the popular currencies section. You'll see Robux listed there, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be shown the best available prices for Robux so you can get the best deal. Enter the amount of Robux you want or just click the plus sign to add it easily. When you're happy with the quantity, click on Buy Now. Next, you'll need to enter your Roblox username and pick a payment method. You can use credits or debit cards, or even cryptocurrency, it's your choice. Before you finalize, take a quick look at your order summary. You'll see the quantity, price, and payment method. Keep in mind there's a small fee for the payment method, which is called a convenience fee. Now just hit pay, enter your payment details, and if you want, save your card for future purchases. Once everything's set, confirm the payment and that's it, your Robux will be on the way. I hope this helps. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.